everyone, I am Vanashri. I am currently pursuing my engineering in AI/ML department of Srinivas Institute of Technology. Today we are going to talk about the constraint logic programming. Foremost, we are going to see what is constraint logic programming. A constraint logic programming is a form of a declarative programming where the relation between the variable are expressed as constant. Unlike in traditional logic programming, we rely on logical inference. In this, we integrate a constant to limit the possible value that the variable can take. For example, in traditional logic programming, if we take as x plus y, it may take a n number of values. To limit this, we are going to introduce the constant x plus y less than equal to 20 so that the value is reduced. So this approach allows for more efficient problem solving, especially in domain requiring complex condition satisfactions. So the basic concepts are variable and domain. So the variable represents element of the problem and the domain are the possible values that a variable can take. Constraints constraints define the relation between the variable and they restrict the value that the variable can simultaneously take. Next, the constraint solver. These are the specialized algorithm defined to find for the variable that satisfies all the constraints. So now let's look upon the example, that is scheduling problem. Here we have to schedule the time slots for the different courses in an university so that the no two courses have the same time slots and which are having the same students and all the resources are effectively utilized within the university hour. So first we are going to define the variables. The variables for the courses are C1, C2 to Cn and domains are the time slots for each courses. Next, we are establishing some constraints like no two courses with common students can share the same time slot and each classroom can only host one course at a time. Next, the courses must fit within the university operational hour. So, modeling the problem, this Prolog statement defines the courses with possible time slot and constraint, ensuring that no two courses share the same time slot, preventing the scheduling conflicts. So, in this, we have courses as the variable, that is C1, C2 and C3. The domains are the courses must be in the university time, that is 9 to 5. So, we are defining the constants as the C1 does not share the same time slot with C2 and C1 does not share the same time slot with C3 and the C2 does not share same time slot with C3. So the courses C1, C2 and C3 each have the possible time slot of 9 am to 5 am. Each ensures course is scheduled at different time to avoid the conflicts. The constraint solver explores the possible assignments of the time slot to courses, ensuring that all the constraints are met. If a valid assignment is found, it provides a feasible schedule. Now we are going to solve the schedule. Defining solve schedule, it predicts that aims to find a valid schedule for 3 courses. The course C1 T1 assigns a time slot for T1 to course C1 and next C2 T2 assigns a time slot for T2 to course C2 and assigns a time slot T3 to course C3. Next, the constraints T1 slash equal to C2 ensures that the C1 and C2 do not share the same time slot. The next, T1 slash T3 ensures that the C1 and C3 do not share the same time slot, and T2 slash equal to T3 ensures C2 and C3 do not share the same time slot. Next, output we write it as write T1 and 1. It prints the time slot for course 2. Next, it prints the time slot for C2, and next it prints the time slot for course 3. This code assigns the slot to 3 courses and ensure no 2 courses have same time slot, and then print the assigned time slots for each courses. So the execution has been presented inside. It assigns the course 1 to be scheduled at 9 and course 2 at 10 and course 3 at 11, so that no clashes between the courses happens. In conclusion, the constraint logic programming handles complex problems by combining logical inference with constraint satisfaction. In our example, the constraint logic programming provides an optimal scheduling solution, ensuring that all the constraints are respected. The constraints are no schedules, no courses get the same time, and the time slot should be within the university timing. So thank you.